Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr.Bookman here, and today I will be reading What Sound is Morning by Grant Snider. Please enjoy. What sound is morning? In the first morning light, all is quiet. Or is it? Listen. What sound is morning? Do any of you know what sounds are in the morning? Give me a thumbs up if you do. Lights click on. A cat softly creeps. A baby bubbles. Wide whispers in the leaves. Sprinklers hiss on summer lawns. A rooster crows to greet the dawn. The silent sun rises. The world wakes up. A man shouts after a zooming off bus. Cars and trucks grumble on their way to the city. Stomachs rumble as they pass the bakery. Sure, a lot of people's stomachs do that when they're hungry for breakfast. An old dog yawns awake from a dream. Frogs croak and splash in the murmuring stream. A shower trickles, a mirror squeaks. A garbage truck clings down a quiet street. Breakfast sizzles, hopefully paws tap the floor. In an open field, balloons rise and roar. Yeah, this year we didn't have our balloon fest where I live at. They canceled it because of the virus. Today is a melody still to be written. Today is a tune no one's heard before. So greet the new day with a stretch and a yawn. Throw open the windows. And fill the world with your song. Well, wasn't that a cute story? What sounds is morning? Well, yeah, I can hear trains in the morning. Trains run the track. Planes take off, and cars rumble, buses rumble, people rumble. Yeah. That's what I hear in the mornings. Do you hear a lot of things? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this story time, and I want to say thank you very much for watching and enjoying. And everybody out there, you have a fine one and a good one, and please Please, for the grace of God, during this crisis, is please wash your hands. If you got a cough or sneeze, cover with your elbow. Stay your distance, 6 feet back. Disinfect things if you do, and please wear your mask. But again, I am Mr. Bookman, and this story time is over.